What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're enjoying the videos here on my channel. If you do, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to activate the bell button too so you get notifications every time I upload a new video and you don't miss anything. Today our video, not haircuts, not color, nothing like that. It's going to be about styling products. What the best styling, pomade, stuff like that, all the cream for finishing look. What is the best, how we use them, all those details. So let's go and dig into it. Let's go. Okay guys, the first thing we need to do, we need to determine what our hair type. So let's say if we have more the silky soft hair, and who have those type of hair, like in the Far East, like the Asian countries like China, Korea, Vietnam, Japan, those countries. If you notice, the people have so much silky straight hair and it's hard to volumize, it's hard to control because it's very silky, very soft, and you cannot do anything. Always it's very flat. If you notice too, always people complain like, oh, my hair is so flat and it's so silky, I cannot control it, all over the place. I hate it, I want some volume. So I want some control over it. Can we use this products on men and women? Yes, absolutely. Men usually they have short hair, so yes, this is for short hair. And women can use it who has pixies, who have like short cuts. Definitely they can use this products. What products we are talking about? We are talking about clay, which like we see here from Aveda. We're seeing the clay grooming. I'm gonna leave you in the description below the products link, so if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it too. So this is what I have here in my studio, the clay. What good about the clay? I want to show you on the inside. The clay, when you touch it, it's strong. Why? Because it's clay. So it's strong. It's not like soft cream. It's a little bit hard, and let's say like the texture is more on the sticky side. So it's because it's stronghold. The things about the clay doesn't have so much shine, so it has less shine but has more control, and you can put it on damp hair or dry hair. Work it in your hair. Do not use so much. Very important guys, you have to understand. People think the more I use the better. No, use less. Do not use so much, and put like a little bit, like this amount, okay? And your palm, work it in a circle motion, apply it to your hair, and that's it. Stay away from the roots. I know some products line, they say, oh, from roots to ends. I don't agree so much about that. I don't think styling products should go to the roots because it's not treatment products. So styling products, because especially this has more clay, sticky feel. So if I apply it for the roots, I think it's gonna block the follicle and the follicle won't be able to breathe. So I'm gonna lose the hair, I think, or I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I will stay away a little bit from the scalp. I don't want the products to go to the scalp. So maybe I will say from mid shaft end. And as I said, use a little, not so much, and you will have a great, beautiful control all day long. Let's go to the second type of hair. So the second type of hair, guys, it's not the silky hair, and it's not very what we call it, like a kinky or this type of hair, very stiff, like it doesn't have any movement at all. So let's talk about like the hair I have. My hair is not very soft, but it's not on the curly side or the kinky side. It's not. So I have like kind of weave in my hair, but at the same time I don't have this type of like Asian silky straight hair. I don't have this type of hair. So what to use for this type of hair? My hair, I want to mention one thing too. My hair doesn't have so much shine. It's more kind of the shine doesn't have so much reflection in my hair. This is the nature of my hair. So the people who has this type of hair, I will definitely recommend, like we see here, the pomade from Aveda, and we see here this one, and give you control and gonna give you shine. And like you see here, the products I'm gonna show you, look, you can see the reflection. It has so much shine. And when you touch the products, it's soft, It's way softer than the clay one, because it's gonna give you this medium hold, gonna give you tons of shine, and you can apply it on a damp hair or dry hair. And again, I mentioned keep it away from the scalp. Do not go to the scalp, especially if you have oily hair, like if your hair like you know, this type of oily hair. And I want to mention, if you use so much of this product, it's gonna make your hair look like oily, and you don't want to do that. So just a little bit amount in your palm, work it in like circle motion, apply it to your hair, and believe me, the little the better. We think if we use so much products, what is gonna happen, the look is going to be better, and actually it's the opposite. Pomade, it has so much shine, and believe me, only need a little bit to give this beautiful, vibrant, shiny, lively hair with a little amount of products, not so much. So this is for the people who has like hair like me, kind of wavy, has some movement in it, but it's not silky and it's not kinky, or this type of hair like a very like what I don't know the right expression really. It's like kind of more on the stiff side, like very curly, and it doesn't have any movement. This is the right products for you guys. So let's go to the third type of hair. Okay guys, so now we go to the third type of hair, which the hair more on the kinky side. It doesn't have so much movement, or it's too curly, so it has less movement than the medium, like kind of wavy hair, or the straight type of hair. So this type of hair, we need to add more flexibility to it. We need something like this cream, and this is called Elegance, and I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below so you can purchase if you want to. And like we see here, if I put my finger in the products, it's very easy to get it out. It's very soft, and this is exactly what we need for kinky or very curly hair. We need to add some movement to the hair, so we need something very soft, very more on the fluid side. And we need something add shine, add vibrancy to the hair, make it more lively. So this type of product is great. And as I said, again, do not use so much, because the more you use, believe me, the less good result you're gonna get. If you use so much of this product, the hair will look oily, greasy. You don't want to do that. So just use a little bit, work it in your palm, apply it to damp hair, dry hair, doesn't matter. Do not go to the roots. Do not let it touch the scalp. Stay away from the scalp, because I said this is a styling product. It's not a treatment product. The treatment products, we go to the scalp because we want to give this nutrition things to the scalp. This is a styling, so keep it on the shaft of the hair. Stay away from the scalp. This is my recommendation from my experience. So do not use so much. I talked about these products and the type of hair, what type of hair and what is the right products to use on it. In the next video, I'm gonna do the second part of this video, because I don't want to make it so long for you guys. I'm going to use this products on hair. Some of them I'm going to use on the mannequin, and some of them I'm going to use it on my own hair. And I'm going to show you the best way to apply it to the hair to get the best result, how much the amount we need to use, how the right way to apply it to the hair, and how we get the best result out of each product. So if you enjoyed my videos, guys, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, so everybody get benefits of this information. And as I say always, I like you. I love you. What like you mean? I'm in long relationship with you guys. I love you, and I see you in a new video, new idea. And ciao for now.